every single night, the sky above you holds a secret. Out there, beyond everything you can see, trillions of galaxies exist. Each one a world of stars, light, and life. And most of them are dying. But some of them, they refuse. Today, we're gonna find out why. First, what does it even mean for a galaxy to die? It means it stops making stars. No new suns, no new light. Just old stars slowly burning out, one by one, until there's nothing left but silence. Scientists call this quenching, and it happens in a few brutal ways. The first killer? The black hole at the galaxy's center. When a supermassive black hole wakes up and starts feeding, it releases energy so violent, it blasts the galaxy's own gas out into space. And without gas, a galaxy cannot make new stars. It starves. Slowly. Completely. The second killer is the neighborhood. Galaxies that fall into giant galaxy clusters get their gas physically ripped away, torn out by pressure as they move through the hot gas filling the cluster. Astronomers call these jellyfish galaxies, because long trails of gas stream behind them, like tentacles, as they are slowly stripped bare. And the third killer is the simplest of all. Some galaxies just run out of fuel. No drama, no explosion, just a slow, quiet fade, like a candle burning its very last drop of wax. But then, there are the ones that don't die. Galaxies that have been making stars for billions upon billions of years. Galaxies that have survived every killer, every threat, every reason to go quiet. How? The answer is beautifully simple. Gas. Cold gas. You see, the universe is not empty between galaxies. It is threaded with invisible streams of hydrogen, cosmic highways stretching across hundreds of millions of light years. Scientists call this the cosmic web, and some galaxies sit right at the intersections of these highways. The gas just keeps flowing in. These galaxies are usually small, isolated, far from the violent clusters that would tear them apart. Their black holes are quiet, and so life continues. New stars are born. New light fills the darkness. The galaxy breathes. But here is where it gets truly extraordinary. Some galaxies that were dead actually come back to life. A quiet, red, lifeless galaxy collides with a small, gas-rich neighbor, and that fresh wave of hydrogen reignites everything. New stars, new energy, a second life. Scientists call this rejuvenation, and about 25% of galaxies that go quiet come back within just 1 billion years. The universe calls them post-starburst galaxies. We could just call them survivors. And then there are the ones built to last forever. Some galaxies are dominated by red dwarf stars, the smallest, coolest, most patient stars that exist. They burn so slowly, so carefully, that a single red dwarf can live for 1 trillion years. The entire age of our universe right now, just 13.8 billion years. These stars have barely even started. A galaxy full of red dwarfs could still be glowing long after our sun is gone, long after the Milky Way has faded, long after the last great galaxies have gone dark. They don't refuse to die through drama or luck. They refuse through patience, through efficiency, through burning slow and steady, across timescales the human mind can barely hold. So why do some galaxies refuse to die? Because they have a steady supply of gas? Because they live away from the chaos? Because they find new fuel in unexpected collisions? Because the stars inside them are built to outlast everything? Galaxies, it turns out, are not so different from us. Some burn bright and fast and are gone in a flash. Some fade quietly and surrender to the dark. And some just keep going, through every force trying to stop them, through the cold, expanding silence of a universe growing darker every billion years. Some galaxies simply refuse to let the light go out.